So we're gonna go over there today. We're gonna explore the abandoned buildings, and it's really low tide, so maybe we're even gonna go search for little shelves. So we're gonna go over there and explore a bit.
Waking up, I feel I've lost control. I'm holding on to memories of you. Inside my head, my dreams come true, and there I hope that you would see me too. Oh, I know you're not intending to do what you do, but each and every time I see you, I feel something brand new.
Look at this. Not for me. I'm going over the beach. Better this way. Let's see how we're gonna get there. So what is this?
A house.
Under the surface, you gave me a shelter, and I've been falling apart. Yeah, I'm falling apart. Baby, I did it on purpose. On purpose.
It looks like a swamp. But they're all... What are those?
A cemetery.
No, it's not a cemetery. They're all like wooden. Not wooden. Stone poles or something. So I thought it was a water tower. But there's a whole bunch of electricity in there. So probably not. And how are we gonna get through this? They're all even in one line.
It looks like our fences.
Huh?
It could be some sort of farming.
Yeah, but how would you farm like this?
Now, for example, if you have if you make a pole all over there, or a fence or something, then for example, how do you call it? Druiven can.
Oh.
Some sort of winery or.
Yeah.
You gave me shelter, and I've been falling apart. Yeah, I'm falling apart. Baby, I did it on purpose. On purpose.
Hello, T.
Hi. Can I find a cockle?
T's gonna find cockles. You sure?
Found one. I found one.
Did you find one?
But they are.
Now you need to eat it. It's a very pretty place. Very pretty. There the buildings are all like demolished and stuff. And there's like a lot of rubbish. But it's very pretty. They have a very pretty view, that's for sure. But I'm really keen on what happened here. It's awesome. Hopefully this is the road. But not sure. We'll have to find out. So this was not the road. We're going back. We arrived in the dinghy up here. And we started off at this abandoned house because it was really easy to reach. From there on, we thought we could get to the other one really easy by taking along the path that you see up here. But in the end it wasn't. There was only one place we could reach, and that was the last place. And from that moment it took us quite a long while to find the right road to that place. This was some sort of gateway. Look, the two pillars. This way?
Car parts. Car bumpers. Somebody dumped his bumpers over here.
So we can't even get over there. Too bad. But it's very pretty though. We think it goes all the way, look, because there's even shells. So we think that it's supposed to be on the water, and it's even, I think, salt water. Yeah, I think so. But we're going over there. It's a bit of a longer hike than I expected. I thought we could just get there through the bushes, but it wasn't that easy. And the other house is even on a patch of land, which is all surrounded by water. So I don't think we're gonna get there. Maybe by the dinghy. Maybe when it's high tide, we're gonna go there and explore that one a bit. But now we're gonna go up to there. This is our pathway. Uh-oh, Now we have to go that way again. I think so. Maybe not. What do you think? We went the wrong way. So now we have to go all the way back in here. All the way back, and it took us so long to get here. Now we're on the right track. Let's see. So this is our evidence that the water gets all the way up here. It's still breathing. Do you see that? Oh, moving.
Yep.
Look at the river. They're over here as well. This was a swimming pool. I think so. Yes. Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Looks like one, but maybe not. Well, there was some benches over there. This is so pretty. It's so pretty, look at it. It's so nice. It's so awesome to see all this.
So this was basically a fishing firm. So it caught fish in Canada, and then it was transported it over here, and then it dried on these racks. So they hung the codfish over there. In the last century of the firm, it was focused on shrimps. So the ships came in over here. There was a crane over here that unloaded the ships, and then it was transported over there to Atlantica, and there it was cleaned. And as you can see, it's there's still traces of the cleaning the cleaning stuff.
Cleaning ship?
Yep, and then they hang it dry over there, salted and dried. And there was the guy who, the new guy, who had the first day at work. He had to sit in that thing. Yeah, they say that it's active. It was active till 1972.
1972, okay.
Yeah, but this is.
And then after that, it was abandoned.
Now they say like it's. Oh no, this was another company that was over here. It was wine doing something with wine. Fish and wine over here.
Fish and wine, so it has multiple purposes. There's a big hole in the ground. Oh, look at this! Yeah. So there's a whole trail right to that thing. It's really funny how, how something. So there was even a company here, and there were lots and lots of people working here, and then now it's abandoned, and already for a very long time, I think. Yeah, and it still exists. So now we have to walk all the way back to our dinghy because it's still curfew and we need to be home at 1.